Want your Samsung to suddenly flash for notification or glow longer so you never miss one? Let's adjust the edge lighting duration on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Notification. Next, tap Notification Pop-up Style. Here, you have to make sure that it's set to brief because it's required to use edge lighting. Next, tap Edge Lighting Style, and then tap Advanced. Now, adjust the duration slider. You can slide it to the left for a shorter duration, which is best if you want quick close without interruption. Moreover, if you receive a lot of notification or want to conserve battery. Or you can slide it to the right for a longer duration, which is ideal when your phone is face down or across the room and you need extra time to notice the alert. Moreover, if you often miss them. As the example, we will set it to medium, so it won't interrupt you too much but still give you enough time to notice the alert. Then tap Done button to save the change. And that's it. Now your notification will flash just the way you like them, subtle or bold, perfect for staying informed without distraction. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.